Hello, my name is James. I'm with Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Whirlpool Cabrio WED8900BC0. If you don't know where to locate your model number for your dryer, you simply open the door and you should find the manufacturer label somewhere around the door or on the inside by the door hinges. Let's get started. Now you just need to disconnect the door switch. Once you look over here, you'll see the little tab. Just lift up on the tab and then just pull them apart. And there we go. You should be able to lift up on the front panel and move it out of the way. The lint filter grill is one of a combination of 4 parts that makes up the lint filter housing. The lint filter grill can be easily removed by removing the 2 screws and popping out the bottom tab. Attached to the back of the lint filter grill is the outer housing. This can simply be pulled off the back and removed. Your lint filter grill contains 2 moisture sensors, each sold individually, that can be easily installed by hooking the foot cleat into the lower section and snapping in the terminal. Just go ahead and push it through until you hear it click. There we go. You can go ahead and put this back together, which is the back side of your lint filter grill. Put those back into place. They line up with these alignment slots.